I am Mrs. Anuradha Pouron, President and founder of Association pour l'éducation des enfants défavorisés, situated in the south of Mauritius. We cater for the education of needy children as from grassroots level up to the age of 18. After the closure of textile factories in the area of the south, women and men were left without job. And this caused a very big problem in the families where they do not have food or even money to send their children to school. So we take the children to our center to educate them and also cater for those who are elders and going to attending primary schools and secondary schools. After that, we decided to work with the women because 3 or 4 years after the closures, they were still getting poorer and poorer. We sat up with a woman and discussed about a project which we can do in order to make them have a sort of income. After several discussions, we concluded that we will do a project on medicinal plants, which is entitled the cultivation and propagation of medicinal plants. This project would help the woman to get an income and also in order to propagate the use of medicinal plants around Mauritius, because in Mauritius we have so many medicinal plants and many people are not using them. We have around 25 varieties of medicinal plants in our greenhouse, and also we have lots of medicinal plants that we ask people to cultivate outside our greenhouse, which we are using in order to produce our tisanes and herbal teas. So some of the medicinal plants are aloe vera, sulfate, ayapana, bomchperu, romarin, stevia, amongst others. So we have got in order to start this project, we have got the support of ARE, the Agricultural Research Unit of Mauritius, who have helped us and helped the ladies in order to have a good training about the procedure, how to process in order to convert the medicinal plants into tisanes and herbal teas. So after the knowledge that the ladies have got, actually they are working on the tisanes. They do the harvesting, the dehydration, and also the packaging of the medicinal plants. So after the dehydration, all plants are kept separately. Then we do the mixture. We have only 3 ladies who are experienced about the mixture because it is something very important. And after the mixture of these plants, then it goes on the scale where we have the net weight that should be put in the packaging. After that, we do the packaging and prepare it for exportation and some locally sold. The project included the setting up of the greenhouse, irrigation system, dehydration machines, and packaging machines. All these have been financed by the GEF SGP. Through this project, 20 women are actually having an income. They are sending their children to schools, and even the women themselves have been empowered. There have been a lot of capacity building, and the women now can face the media and go to sell their tisanes and herbal teas everywhere.